Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Amber Kelly and today I will be doing a clean with me. These last couple of days have been mentally draining, emotionally draining, just draining altogether. So I said, what better way to decompress myself than to clean my room? I have my diffuser going with fresh linen scent, and I have my wax warmer going. So I got my TV on. The kids are about to finish up their work, so I'm just going to do some like detailed cleaning. If you're here for that, if you're in the dumps or you're what is going on in the world right now, and if it has you thinking, and it has you just kind of like all over the place and you want to decompress, um, then this clean will be for you. Like I said, I'm trying to decompress because again, I have a husband and four amazing kids. So I'm just trying to keep my head above water. On the recent events, I think I got sucked in too much, and I need to pull back just for my mental health sake. So I just need to breathe in, breathe out, get some relaxation going, clean my space up, and get back to doing what I know how to do. And meanwhile, still talk about the struggles of motherhood and having four African American children, and just how cruel this world is. So that would be in another video, but this video right here is a clean with me. So if that is something that you would like to see, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Alright, so I am back. I am pretty much, done cleaning. Um, what I am going to do is I'm actually going to go across my floors with my Swiffer. Um, yeah, these Swiffer covers I do make and I do sell. So hit me up if you would like to buy one and I will show you. I have pretty much all colors. If there is a specific color that you are looking for, then you just let me know and I will make it. I find that when I use these on my hardwood floors, it works out so much better. First off, I do not like putting my hands on the mop, so I can just take this off and throw it in the washing machine. So we do have a main mop that we use to go over the floors one good time, and then I always go back over my floors with this. So I have two different things. So I have a little container right here filled with just a little bit of water. I have some original Regency Gold. It's the restored polish. Yeah, just to put on my floor again. I like to treat my floors, which back in the day when I was staying at home with my mom, we used Murphy oil soap. So I'm definitely going to have to go and get some of that. But I'm just using what I have here. And like I said, I will go over my floors another good time once everything is off the floor. I just need to mop right now. So I will be using some of this. I know y'all can't see it because of the lighting, but yeah, using some of that, and then I will follow up with some of this. And I just have a little bit of this left, but that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to put some of this in the water, and this has never been used. I got this from my neighbor. Oh, my neighbor before she passed away. So that's what I'm going to use, and then like I said, follow up with the green bottle, go over my floor with this, and we are going to see what she is giving. Okay, so hopefully this works. Like I said, I just lightly coated the top of the Swiffer with the water because I don't want a whole lot of water on my floor. So that is what I got going on. And let me see, just to do a little rough draft. Okay, so let me see if it has a smell. Okay, it does have a little smell, but it's not nothing that is like, oh my God, I can't take it. I think I'm gonna like it. So I'm just going to film me doing this and going back behind myself with this green bottle. And yeah, so I'll fast forward that part, but stay tuned. All right. We are basically done. This is what the room looks like. Like I said, the floors have been done. That I will be taking care of Monday when I get my other shelving over here, which I'll show y'all. So my goal is to get at least 1 or 2 more of these to organize my yarn. So that section, which is right here, should be together by Monday or Tuesday. I'll probably do a video on that to let y'all see what it comes out like. But like I said, everything is clean off the floor, put back in the correct spaces. I have my diffuser going. I cleaned my couch off, put the pillows back. Like I said, did my floors. I have to find somewhere to hang this up, or I may repaint it or spray paint it, but I'm going to put that out of the way. That this stuff over here, I am going to go back through this stuff again, because some of that stuff I could actually throw away, so I'll do that off camera as well. This is pretty much how it's going to be. So yeah, so like I said, it is pretty much done. It definitely does not look like it did before. Like I said, some areas I'm going to do off camera. So yeah, so this lei I got from Dollar Tree, and I just put that along my desk because it started peeling, and I just put that little sign that I got from the Dollar Tree right there. I got my light box sign, clean this off. Like I said, everything is where it's supposed to be. I have my diffuser going. Fresh linen is the scent. Straightened up my little cart right here, and my planners are on my desk, my cup. Yeah, so basically all I have to do is just sit here and film and watch TV, and like I said, put that mirror up, get that off my table. Like I said, a couple of spots I'm just going to tidy up, but this right here will be dealt with Monday or Tuesday, and once I deal with this should make the room look even better, because like I said, it's literally this little spot right here and that spot over there that still does not have the room looking clean. But I don't have anywhere else to put this stuff, and I'm tired of this. I'm just tired of that whole little situation. So like I said, getting those shelves will help. Eventually I'll be getting rid of this little brown thing, and eventually all of this stuff will be coming off, and it will go on the same thing. Once I buy enough of these, I'll have like a little build, that IKEA feel without the IKEA coins, because girl, I cannot spend almost $150 for something like this. I got this little thing from Walmart for $29.99. So baby, give me about two more of those, get my life together and live my best life. All right, so again, I hope you all liked this video. I hope this video inspired you. And I plan on replacing my pillows. That's my belly band. I plan on replacing my pillows with yellow accent pillows. I do have them on my wish list for Amazon. So yeah, I will end up replacing those. Okay, so again, if you enjoyed this video, if this gave you inspiration to clean up your area, then go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Also, do not be afraid to hit that subscribe button. And yeah, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.